Herbs have been used for thousands of years across various cultures for their medicinal, culinary, and aromatic properties. However, the widespread interest in herbs has also given rise to numerous myths and misconceptions. Understanding the difference between fact and fiction is crucial for anyone looking to harness the benefits of herbs safely and effectively. In this video, we will explore some of the most common myths about herbs and provide evidence-based facts to clarify these misconceptions. Myth 1. Herbs are always safe because they are natural. One of the most prevalent myths about herbs is the assumption that they are always safe to use because they are natural. While it is true that many herbs have beneficial properties, it is not accurate to assume that all natural substances are safe. Fact, not all natural substances are safe, and some herbs can be harmful if used incorrectly. For example, herbs like belladonna and foxglove are highly toxic and can cause severe health issues. Even commonly used herbs, such as comfrey and kava, can pose risks if not used appropriately. It is essential to research and understand the proper dosages, potential interactions, and contraindications of any herb before using it. Myth 2. Herbs have no side effects. Another common misconception is that herbs have no side effects. This myth likely stems from the belief that natural products are inherently safe and gentle. Fact, herbs can have side effects just like pharmaceutical medications. For instance, St. John's wort, a popular herb for treating depression, can cause photosensitivity, increased sensitivity to sunlight, and interact with a wide range of medications, reducing their effectiveness. Echinacea, used to boost the immune system, can cause allergic reactions in some people, particularly those with allergies to plants in the daisy family. Myth 3. All herbs can be used by everyone. Some people believe that herbs are universally safe for everyone, regardless of age, health status, or other factors. Fact, individual responses to herbs can vary widely based on several factors, including age, health conditions, and potential allergies. For example, licorice root can raise blood pressure and should be avoided by individuals with hypertension. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, children, and people with chronic illnesses should consult a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies. Myth 4. More is better. A common myth is that taking larger quantities of an herb will produce better or faster results. Fact, taking more of an herb does not necessarily lead to better outcomes and can sometimes be dangerous. Many herbs have an optimal dosage range, and exceeding this can lead to adverse effects. For example, consuming excessive amounts of ginseng can cause headaches, insomnia, and digestive issues. It is crucial to follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare provider if you're unsure. Myth 5. Herbal remedies work instantly. Some people expect immediate results from using herbal remedies, similar to the effects of pharmaceutical drugs. Fact, herbs often work more slowly than conventional medications and may require consistent use over a period of time to achieve the desired effects. For example, using turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties typically requires regular consumption over weeks or months to see significant benefits. Patience and consistency are key when using herbal treatments. Myth 6. All herbal products are pure and uncontaminated. Some people believe that all herbal products on the market are pure and free from contaminants. Fact, the quality of herbal products can vary significantly. Contamination with heavy metals, pesticides, and other harmful substances is a real concern. Additionally, some products may not contain the herb they claim to, or may include undisclosed ingredients. It is crucial to purchase herbal products from reputable sources and look for third-party testing to ensure quality and purity. Myth 7. Traditional use equals scientific evidence. Many people assume that if an herb has been used traditionally for centuries, it must be effective and safe. Fact, while traditional use can provide valuable insights, it does not always equate to scientific evidence. Modern research is necessary to validate the safety and efficacy of herbal remedies. For example, while willow bark has been used for centuries to relieve pain, it was modern science that identified salicin, its active ingredient, which led to the development of aspirin. Relying solely on tradition without scientific validation can be misleading. Myth 8. Herbs are not regulated. A common belief is that herbal products are not regulated at all, leading to concerns about their safety and efficacy. Fact, In many countries, including the United States, herbal products are regulated, but not to the same extent as pharmaceutical drugs. In the US, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, oversees dietary supplements, including herbal products, under the Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act, DSEA of 1994. This regulation requires manufacturers to ensure the safety of their products and make truthful claims. However, these products do not need FDA approval before going to market, and regulation is less stringent compared to pharmaceuticals. Myth 9. You don't need to tell your doctor about herbal use. Some people believe that because herbs are natural, there is no need to inform their healthcare provider about their use. Fact. It is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about any herbs or supplements you are taking. Herbs can interact with medications and other treatments, potentially causing adverse effects. For example, garlic supplements can thin the blood and may increase the risk of bleeding if taken with anticoagulant medications. Open communication with your healthcare provider ensures safe and coordinated care. Myth 10. Herbs have no interactions with medications. Another common myth is that herbs do not interact with prescription medications. Fact. Many herbs can interact with prescription and over-the-counter medications, sometimes with serious consequences. For instance, ginkgo biloba, which is used to improve cognitive function, can increase the risk of bleeding when taken with anticoagulants like warfarin. Understanding potential interactions is essential to avoid adverse effects. Myth 11. Herbal teas are always safe. People often assume that herbal teas are always safe to drink in any amount. Fact. While herbal teas can be beneficial, they can also pose risks if consumed in excess or by certain individuals. For example, licorice tea can lead to high blood pressure if consumed in large quantities. Pregnant women should avoid certain herbal teas, such as those containing pennyroyal, which can induce labor. It is important to be aware of the herbs in your tea and their potential effects. Myth 12. Herbs are effective for everyone. There is a belief that herbs will work effectively for everyone in the same way. Fact. Just as with pharmaceutical medications, the effectiveness of herbs can vary from person to person. Factors such as genetics, overall health, and specific conditions can influence how an individual responds to an herb. What works for one person may not work for another, and it may take some experimentation to find the right herb and dosage. Myth 13. All herbs are equally potent. Some people believe that all herbs are equally potent, regardless of how they are grown or processed. Fact. The potency of herbs can vary greatly depending on several factors, including the growing conditions, harvesting methods, and processing techniques. Organic herbs grown in nutrient-rich soil and harvested at the right time tend to be more potent. Additionally, how an herb is prepared, e.g. dried, fresh, tincture, tea, can affect its potency and efficacy. Myth 14. Herbal remedies are always cheaper than pharmaceuticals. A common misconception is that herbal remedies are always a more cost-effective alternative to pharmaceutical drugs. Fact. While some herbal remedies can be more affordable, others can be quite expensive, especially high-quality or rare herbs. Additionally, the cost of ongoing use can add up. It is important to consider both the financial and health aspects when choosing between herbal and pharmaceutical treatments. Myth 15. DIY herbal remedies are always safe. With the rise of DIY culture, some people believe that making their own herbal remedies is always safe and effective. Fact. While making your own herbal remedies can be empowering, it is essential to have proper knowledge and training. Incorrect identification, preparation, or dosages can lead to ineffective or even harmful results. For example, improperly prepared comfrey can cause liver damage due to its pyrrolizidine alkaloids. Always educate yourself thoroughly and consult reliable sources before making and using DIY herbal remedies. Herbs offer a wealth of benefits and have been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. However, it is crucial to separate myths from facts to use them safely and effectively. By staying informed and consulting healthcare professionals when needed, you can enjoy the benefits of herbs while minimizing risks. As the interest in herbal medicine continues to grow, it is essential to approach it with a balanced and informed perspective. By dispelling myths and embracing evidence-based facts, we can better integrate the wisdom of traditional herbal practices with modern scientific knowledge, ensuring a safe and effective approach to health and wellness.